सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Training your dog to use Pet Loader is a straightforward process. Dogs will instinctively know how to use Pet Loader. It is important to remember that unlike humans, dogs are horizontal creatures. So as they walk or run or jump, they are exerting much more force onto all areas of their body compared to us. Plus, all the platforms or steps are level and wide, which provides your dog further confidence in their stability during use, reducing anxiety and stress when using them. Training a younger dog is easier, and we suggest you start when they are puppies and easiest to train, but any dog can be taught to use Pet Loader. If your dog shows any reluctance, treats can be used to coax a dog up. Start by bringing your dog to the front of the bottom platform and show the dog by pointing where you want them to step or placing treats to lead them up each step. With patience and praise, your dog should experience no stress or fear. Always keep your pet on a leash while guiding them up and down. After a few trips up and down the Pet Loader, your pet will become familiar with it. Keep using the Pet Loader routinely, and your dog will come to know exactly what to do each and every time.
Ford has developed a neat solution to the costly dents and scratches that can occur from car doors being opened into obstacles or even vehicles. The new Door Edge Protector feature, which will arrive on the Ford Focus in 2012, is the first active system designed to provide a protective barrier for the door edge. The Door Edge Protector remains concealed when the door is closed, but quickly springs into position as the door is opened. As well as protecting the door edge of the vehicle to which it is fitted, the system has the added advantage of helping prevent damage to neighbouring vehicles if the door is opened into them. The Door Edge Protector will offer real convenience benefits and potential savings on repairs to drivers who routinely have to slot their Ford Focus into tight parking spaces, and will be a particular relief to parents with children in the back seat.